Cuz out here on the dirt bike. I don't like that. Yeah, you don't want to do nothing crazy out there. Oh yeah. I don't like that. I'm gonna give my son one of them things. Yeah, guys, we just out here chilling. I'm about to get my hair cut. Oh, see the 300. Going 1,000 miles per hour, but the body lane is not too bad. Break it down. Okay, not bad. Sound good too, boy. These Brembos are definitely working. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We all want the V8s to stay around. We all hoping that Stellantis change their mind about getting rid of the Hemis, but it's done and over with. There's a lot of videos circulating saying that Stellantis is going to change their mind. They hoping that the CEO was going to get fired, but the truth of the matter is nothing is going to happen to that guy. He's not going anywhere. I think a lot of this stuff is just rumors. And it's unfortunate because there's a lot of people who are really thinking that the V8s is coming back. They're not, guys. If you pay attention to everything that Stellantis is doing, if you pay attention to the things that they say, the wording that they use, it's very clear that them people do not care about the V8s. They don't. They only care about these small little cars that they're coming out with. They only care about the new generation of buyers. And it's unfortunate. Trust me, I feel you guys. I sympathize with you. But at the same time, we have to move on. We gotta move on. And I'm not telling people to accept electric vehicles, but it's something that's inevitable. It's gonna happen. The new SCATPACks are gonna come out, and we're gonna either adapt to it, or we're just gonna have to move on to something different. Now, I'm not saying maybe later on down the line, years from now, they may redesign the Hemi to be more efficient as far as emissions, to satisfy the EPA. But there's a lot of stuff going on within the EPA. I believe our president, whomever is elected as president, I think that may change things as well. But that's all up in the air. Oh, I need some gas. There's a lot of people thinking that these V8 Hemis are coming back soon, and they're not. They're done. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm going to get the new SCATPACK. That's only if they offering leases for the car. I'm going to lease one for the channel, and I'm going to, I'm going to try it out and have some fun with it. Put it through some tests. I think it'll be good for the channel. It'll be good for content. Because, like I say, I'm not totally against electric vehicles, but I am totally against them forcing us to buy them and EV electric muscle cars. If it's not a muscle car, take the sound away and don't call it a SCATPACK. Just let it be what it is. That's my biggest gripe about Stellantis and this EV stuff. I get what they're doing. I understand where they're coming from. But at the same time, don't call it a muscle car. It's not a muscle car. If you look at the videos that Stellantis put out, now I'm going to try to put a clip in here of one of their latest videos that they released. Regardless of the Fair Use Act, they're starting to claim some of our videos. So we have to be very careful about how we use some of their material and when we use it and what we're saying about the company. Now, I'm not going to not say what I need to say because I got a freedom of speech. I can say what I want to say, but I just have to be careful of what material I use of Stellantis or Dodge.
Today, we have sent out a powerful message to the societies in which we operate.
These cars are in the past. Did you see any pictures or any footage of a Hellcat? No. Did you see anything about these old SCATPACks? No. You see anything about the 300? No. They showed the new Charger and all the futuristic stuff that they plan on doing. This company is strictly about innovation and moving forward. That's what they're doing. It's unfortunate. People are saying they're gonna lose money. It remains to be seen. I don't know. But you have a choice to buy it or not buy it. And I'm just putting it out there. I'm not picking sides or anything. I'm just putting information out there that some folks gotta get over it and move on, because for the most part you're just wasting time, and people just making videos just to get views. I'm just ready to move on to something different and to kind of redirect my channel. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still a Hemi muscle channel, don't get me wrong, but I always tell you guys, I like more than just Dodge vehicles. Like, I like all cars. So I would like to try out the new EV. I would like to try out different type of cars. I'm not saying I'm getting rid of my 300. I got a lot of plans for this 300 later on down the line. I'm trying to build up my business credit so I can start getting different cars under my business name. And that's why I put the poll out about the giveaways, because I got to start leveling up, guys. Like, I have to move to the next level. To keep sitting here doing the same thing over and over and over again, it's not improving the channel. It's not moving the channel forward. And it's not cheap to do what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have 3 other cars that I'm responsible for. The bigger YouTubers, they doing giveaways, they do this, they do that. And I'm trying to get in that game too, guys. I want to where my subscribers can start benefiting from things. And we are one big family. Everybody can eat pretty much. And we can take the channel to the next level instead of keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. Because after a while, man, it gets boring, you know. I love talking to you guys, but I want to start doing like meetups. Like I said, you can do the giveaways. I can meet some of you guys. Y'all win, one of the cars I may be giving away. Instead of letting some of the bad apples who did giveaways and tried to, do fraud people, doing fraud with the giveaways, I'm not trying to do that. And I think that kind of ruined it for the people who really want to make a difference and really give back to their subscribers, because now anytime you mention a giveaway, everybody automatically think a scam. You know what I'm saying? It's unfortunate, but that's not what I'm about. You guys should know that by now. I'm not trying to take any money from my subscribers. I'm a regular family guy. What I look like trying to take money from you guys you guys are family-oriented people. Like, why would I want to take money out of your pockets? Or you trying to feed your family, take care of your family? Why would I want to do that? I wouldn't want somebody to do that to me and my family. I mean, it's unfortunate. You're going to always have people who feel like giveaways are scams. That's why I want to structure my giveaway where everything is transparent. Like I said, 2,000 tickets, $100. If that's too much, we can figure it out, what makes sense, what works for everybody, where you guys don't feel like you've been taken advantage of, and it actually can make a difference and false what I'm trying to do, the type of vehicle I'm trying to give away, where the whole thing makes sense, bottom line. I'm just tired of doing the same stuff over and over again. I want to do more vlog style, but still include car stuff, but do more vlog style videos, so we're kind of taking you guys with me doing different stuff. I mean, I'm kind of a simple guy. I mean, I'm not balling, so I'm not going to be going to a club and, having a whole bunch of girls twerking and all that stuff. Like, that's probably not going to happen. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being 100 with y'all. I'm not saying I won't be able to include some stuff in the vlogs that you guys will like, but I'm just not. I done been there, done that. I'm past all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? They got to leave that to the younger YouTubers, man. But just regular everyday stuff, guys. I want to try to include you guys in it. I'm also getting ready to get a different vlogging camera. I'm gonna stop using my phone because I need something a little more incognito to vlog with. I'm not ready to walk around with a big stupid phone trying to vlog. I'm not ready to do that. But guys, I'm about to get my coffee. I'm about to go up here. Like I said, I gotta go to the dentist, and I have to go and check on. I'm about to go to the shop and see what they can do about my alarm. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment.